everyone. Let's build a to-do list application in React. So first of all, for building our to-do list application, let's name it to-do list. I have just written that in h1 tag, that's it. Okay, so first of all, for making a to-do list, we need input from the user. So we will take input with input tag. Inside this we can first have a label for this. To do task. You can of course style it just the way you want it. I'm just showing you the functionality, not the CSS. Okay, so in input we need value first, then we need on change. So let's make a use state for that. For our use state, our initial value, that is our to do value, and we will set that to do in our on change function. So let's make our initial value as an empty string. This will be our to do, and oopsie, so on change, maybe let's make a function handle change. Then let's make this handle change arrow function, and let's take e from here, that is our event e dot target dot value. We have to import use state first from React. Let's refresh it. Yeah, so on change, let's have a button which will be first, let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. Okay, so let's have a button which on click will add our to-do list. We will make it submit. On click, handle submit. Now let's declare this. Okay, yeah, const handle submit. Okay, so inside this, first let's do one thing. Let's console our to do. Okay, fine. So let me, what happened? Okay, so list 1 submit, it will show. Now the issue is, if I write list 2, first let me refresh my page, list 2 submit. Now if I make it list 3 submit, so it will show only 1, it will not show all the list items. If I'm making 4 the next time, it will show me only 4, it will not show me the previous ones. So for that we have to have another use state that can store all the previous value as well as the current value. So let's make that to do array comma set to do array. Let's have an array in this, which we will use it as a stack for all our to-dos. Now on submit, what we will do is, we will inside our to-do array, we will set to-do array to, okay, first of all the previous values and the new value, right? So all my previous value, spread operator previous value, and the new value which will come from to do. Okay, we will return this like this. Yeah, this should work. Okay, so let's write list. Okay, we also need to console it, right? Okay, so let us console this, like what this is adding. So whenever there is a change in this will run console.log. Okay, and also one more thing, guys. I'm so sorry. I think I have used an object here. We have to use an array. And also one more thing, like if you don't return, it's like you can also do it like this. So so let's, for example, if I'm printing D, so you can see to do array did add D, and now if I want to print A, then it will also have D and A. So now that we know that this is printing everything, let's print it over here. Let's do it right here. Like I said, I'm not focusing on CSS, I'm just trying to show you the logic. Fine, to do array has all the listed arrays, so we will, if it has, then we will map it. Let's do like this, because we haven't added any ID, so we have to use index here. Let's make it inside span key. I hope you know this, how to use map. Okay, I'll explain a little bit, maybe for the people who don't know. We will map, okay, this is D, that will have each and every one of those, because we are not passing any ID, therefore for making each and every one unique, we will use this index. Okay, now inside this we want to show D, so we will have it inside curly braces. Yeah, it should work, hopefully. Let's see if it works. D, submit. Okay, something happened. Expects a return value. Let's start again. Okay, A, submit. Let's make it B, submit. Okay, we want it in a new line. Let me use, no, we have a div over here. Yeah, okay, A, submit. Oh yeah, we have to make it over here. So yeah, A, submit. Task 2, submit. Task 3, submit. So our Todo application is ready and pretty. You can style it just the way you want. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.